In today's video, we will see how you can make the bulk entries in the back date, that too without changing the dates again and again. We'll show how you can do that. We'll make an entry here and let's say I've got 2000 rupees from Raj in the date 15th of October. I can also change the time. Let's say he paid me at around 1 p.m. I can add the category if I want, like it was for the food and that transaction was online. So I'll, instead of saving this entry, I'll do save and add new. So when I did save and add new, now you can see my date and my time are still in the back date, that is 15th of October 2021 and 1 p.m. I can again add the entry if I have any on the same date. Let's say on the same date I got 100 rupees for petrol. That was the cash transaction, and I'll again do the save and add new. And see, these entries are done on the 15th of October and still the date is same. If I change the date to 8th of October and I enter some amount and some remark, let's say Ramesh paid me this amount and this amount was for some sale and this was the online transaction, and if I again do save and add new, again I am on the 8th of October. So in this way you can add the bulk entries in the back date without changing the dates again and again. Thank you.